Our earth has got number of layers. So now let us look at layers of earth. Layers of earth. That's what we are going to look at in detail. Now, we have, first of all, the outer one we call it crust. That's a crust. Then this one in, we call it mantle. Mantle. And then we have the inner one, we have outer core. Outer core. And then we have the inner. Right inside we have the inner core. Okay? So we have numbers 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one. All right? Now, we are looking at the layers of the earth. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Inner core, outer core, mantle, and the right outside is called the crust. It may be seen like the earth is made up of one big solid rock. So, it may be seen as earth is made up of one big solid rock. One big solid rock. Because if you cut the earth right across, this is what we see. Inner core, outer mantle crust. So, it may be seen that the earth is made up of one solid big rock. Actually, it's made up of number of parts. It is made up of number of parts. Number of parts. Some of them constantly moving. Some of them constantly moving. You can think of earth being made up of number of layers. So earth is made up of a number of layers. A number of layers. Sort of like an onion. Sort of like an onion, large onion. All right, like this. Inner core, outer core, mantle and crust. Then these layers get more and more dense. Now, these layers get more and more dense. More and more dense. The closer you get, to the center of the earth, center of the earth. When you look at the picture, you can see the four very clearly. See the picture, the four main layers. The four main layers are the four main layers are the crust. The outermost is the crust. Next, the mantle. Crust, mantle, outer core, inner core. Outer core and inner core. Outer core and inner core. So, we are looking at very closely at the layers of the earth. There are four main layers of the earth. The outermost is the crust, the mantle, the inner core, the outer core. Earth is made up of one big solid rock. That's what we feel. It looks like one big solid rock. It is made up of a number of parts. Some of them constantly moving. Earth is made up of a number of layers, sort of like an onion. When you peel, it goes on and on and on. These layers get more and more dense, thick, and closer as you go to the center of the earth. The four main layers are the crust, the mantle, the inner core, and outer core. So these are the four parts, and we look at each one in detail.